Most people think walking is too easy to actually change your body. They think you need the gym, you need supplements, you need an expensive diet plan. But what if I told you that 30 minutes of walking every single day does something to your body that most gym workouts can't even compete with? And what if I told you that doctors, scientists, and researchers all agree on this, yet nobody's talking about it? Today I'm going to show you exactly what happens to your body hour by hour, day by day, month by month, when you walk just 30 minutes every day. And by the end of this video, you will never look at a simple walk the same way again. Stay until the end, because I'm going to share what happens at the 30-day mark. And it might be the most powerful thing you hear all year. Beat. 2-second silence. But first, let me ask you something. When was the last time you went for a walk? Not to the fridge, not to your car. A real walk, outside, 30 minutes. If you can't remember, you're not alone. Most people have completely underestimated walking their entire lives. We grew up thinking fitness means sweating in a gym, lifting heavy weights, running until your lungs burn. But here's what the research actually shows. A study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that regular walking reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and depression more effectively than most moderate gym workouts. Let that sink in. It's not more effectively than nothing, more effectively than moderate gym workouts. So, what is actually happening inside your body when you walk? Let's break it down, starting from the very first minute. Here is what happens during the walk itself. Minutes 1 to 5. The moment you start walking, your body wakes up. Your heart rate increases slightly. Your muscles start pulling stored energy. Your lungs begin taking in more oxygen. But here's the part most people don't know. Your brain immediately starts releasing dopamine. Dopamine is your feel-good chemical. It's the same chemical released when you eat your favorite food, when you hear a song you love, when you get good news. And it starts releasing within the first 5 minutes of walking. This is why even on your worst days, even when you feel tired, stressed, overwhelmed, a 10-minute walk outside almost always makes you feel better. It's not motivation. It's not willpower. It's chemistry. Minutes 5 to 15. Now your body is fully warmed up. Your circulation has increased significantly. Oxygen is flowing to your muscles, your organs, your brain. And here's where something really interesting happens. Your cortisol levels start to drop. Cortisol is your stress hormone. When cortisol is high, and for most people living busy, stressful lives, it is almost always high, your body holds on to fat, especially belly fat. This is why people who are constantly stressed struggle to lose weight even when they are dieting. High cortisol equals stubborn fat storage. But walking even just 15 minutes begins lowering cortisol. Your shoulders drop. Your jaw unclenches. Your mind starts to clear. You feel it, but now you know exactly why. Minutes 15 to 30. This is where the magic happens. By this point, your body has fully switched into fat-burning mode. Here's the science in simple terms. For the first 10 to 15 minutes of any exercise, your body burns glycogen, which is basically stored sugar from the food you ate. But after that threshold, your body shifts to burning stored body fat for fuel. This means the last 15 minutes of your 30-minute walk, you are literally burning fat with every single step. And it gets better. Your brain is now flooded with serotonin, another feel-good chemical that regulates your mood, your sleep, and your appetite. Higher serotonin means less emotional eating, better sleep at night, more stable energy throughout the day, all from a 30-minute walk. No gym membership required. Pause. Change energy slightly. Now let's talk about what happens after the walk, because this is the part that will genuinely surprise you. In the hours after your walk, here's what your body is doing. Your metabolism stays elevated. This is called the afterburn effect, technically known as EP, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. In simple terms, your body keeps burning calories at a higher rate even after you stop walking. For walking, this effect lasts around 2 to 3 hours. Not as long as intense exercise, but it's real, and it adds up every single day. Your insulin sensitivity improves. This one is huge, especially for anyone who eats rice, roti, or any carbohydrates. When you walk after a meal, even just 20 to 30 minutes, your muscles absorb glucose from the food you just ate much more efficiently. This means less blood sugar spike, less fat storage from that meal, less insulin resistance over time. This is why walking after dinner, which so many Pakistani and South Asian families already do naturally, is one of the most scientifically powerful habits you can build. Your daddy and nani were right. The evening walk after dinner, pure science. Your hunger hormones rebalance. Remember ghrelin, the hunger hormone we talked about? Walking helps regulate it. People who walk regularly report feeling less randomly hungry throughout the day, less sudden cravings, less urge to snack out of boredom. Not because walking suppresses hunger permanently, but because it stabilizes the hormones that control hunger signals. So if you feel like you have no control around food, start walking. It's not just about burning calories. It's about fixing the system that controls how hungry you feel. Slow down, build anticipation. Okay, now I want you to pay very close attention, because what I'm about to share is the part of this video most people stay for. What happens to your body after 30 days of walking every single day? Day 7. After just 1 week of consistent 30-minute walks, your sleep quality has already improved. Studies show that regular walkers fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply within the first week. Your mood is noticeably more stable, less irritability, less anxiety, more patience. Your energy levels during the day are higher, not from caffeine, from better circulation and better sleep. And your body has already started the process of improving insulin sensitivity, which means every meal you eat is being processed more efficiently. Day 14, 2 weeks in. Your cardiovascular system is adapting. Your heart is becoming more efficient. Your resting heart rate has likely dropped by 2 to 4 beats per minute. That might sound small, but a lower resting heart rate means your heart is working less hard to do the same job. That is literally your heart getting stronger. Your posture has improved. Walking activates your core, your glutes, and your back muscles in a gentle but consistent way. People who sit at desks all day and start walking regularly almost always notice less back pain within 2 weeks. And your clothes? They might already be fitting slightly differently. Not because you've lost dramatic weight, but because inflammation in your body has reduced. Water retention has decreased. And your digestion has improved significantly. Day 30. This is the moment. Imagine it as 30 days from today. You have walked every single day, 30 minutes, consistent. No excuses. Here is exactly what has changed in your body. Your body fat percentage has decreased. Studies show an average of 1 to 2%. Body fat reduction from consistent walking alone in 30 days. Your blood pressure has dropped. Research shows regular walking lowers systolic blood pressure by an average of 4 to 9 points, comparable to some blood pressure medications. Your mental health has transformed. 30 days of daily walking has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by up to 30% without any medication. Your metabolism is running more efficiently than it has in years. Your hunger and cravings are more manageable. Your sleep is deeper. Your energy is higher. Here's the thing nobody tells you about day 30. Walking will no longer feel like exercise. It will feel like something you just do, like brushing your teeth. It's like having chai in the morning. It becomes automatic. It becomes part of who you are. And that identity shift is worth more than any number on the scale. Energy shifts more direct and personal. Now, let me address something. I know what some of you are thinking right now. But I've tried walking before, I didn't see results, and I hear you. But let me ask, were you consistent? Not perfect. Consistent. Because here's the truth about walking that nobody talks about. Walking doesn't show dramatic results in 3 days, or even 7 days. The results are slow, invisible, and internal at first. Your hormones are rebalancing, your metabolism is shifting, your cardiovascular system is adapting. Then around week 3 to week 4, suddenly your clothes feel different. Suddenly you sleep better. Suddenly your mood is more stable. Suddenly, you feel like a different person. But most people quit in week 2 right before the results arrive. Don't be most people. Now let me give you the practical walking plan to make sure you actually see these results. Week 1. Walk 20 minutes every day. Don't worry about speed. Just go. Week 2. Increase to 25 minutes. Start walking slightly faster than comfortable. Week 3 and beyond. 30 minutes daily. Mix flat walking with incline if possible. Even small hills dramatically increase calorie burn. Best times to walk for maximum results. Morning walking on an empty stomach. Your body is in a fasted state. and burns fat more directly. After dinner walking lowers blood sugar from your meal and improves digestion significantly. If you can only pick one walk after dinner, for South Asian diets high in carbohydrates, this single habit can be a game changer. What to do while walking to make it enjoyable? Listen to a podcast, listen to an audiobook, listen to music that makes you feel powerful, or just walk in silence and let your mind decompress. The goal is to make 30 minutes feel like a reward, not a punishment. And here is your 7-day challenge. Starting today or tomorrow morning, walk for 30 minutes every single day for 7 days straight. That's it. No diet change required. No gym membership required. No expensive equipment required. Just 30 minutes is 7 days. Consistent. And then come back to this video, drop a comment, and tell me exactly how you feel after 7 days. I read every single comment on this channel, and I genuinely want to know your results. Let me leave you with this. The most powerful fitness tool available to you right now costs nothing, requires nothing, is available to you every single day. It's your own 2 feet. Walking is not the lazy option. Walking is not the beginner option. Walking is the sustainable option, the consistent option, the one that actually changes your body and your mind over time. 30 minutes, every day. That's all it takes. And if you're ready to commit to that, drop a comment right now and say, I'm starting today, because the best walk you'll ever take is the next one. And if you want more videos like this that actually help you transform, make sure you subscribe to Fitness with Bubbly. Every week I bring you real, practical content that works for real people with real lives. Hit that subscribe button. It means everything. I'll see you in the next one.